Hi, this is Dr. Alan Martinez again to share with you about the benefits of zirconia dental implants. Why more patients are choosing zirconia ceramic dental implants and saving big in Tijuana. If you're missing a tooth and looking for the best replacement option, zirconia ceramic dental implants are becoming a top choice for people who want a strong, natural looking, and metal free solution. They're especially popular among patients who want a healthier, more aesthetic option than traditional titanium implants. Here's why zirconia implants are worth considering, especially if you're looking south of the border. 1. Metal-free and hypoallergenic. Zirconia implants are completely metal-free, which makes them ideal for people with metal allergies or sensitivities. 2. Natural look. Unlike titanium, zirconia is white, so it blends beautifully with your natural teeth and gums. No gray lines, no metal showing. 3. Biocompatible and clean. Zirconia is incredibly compatible with the human body and attracts less plaque and bacteria, meaning healthier gums and less risk of infection. If you're curious whether zirconia implants are right for you, or if you want a second opinion, schedule a consultation with Dr. Mexico, a trusted dental clinic in Tijuana. You'll get world-class care, stunning results, and significant savings. 4. Durable and long-lasting. Despite being ceramic, zirconia is tough. It can handle chewing and biting pressure just like traditional titanium implants. Cost comparison: San Diego versus Tijuana. Let's talk numbers. The benefits are great, but so are the savings if you get this work done in Tijuana. Here is a comparison of single zirconia implant with abutment and zirconia crown. In San Diego, CA. The cost ranges from $4,500 to $6,000 plus USD. In Tijuana, the cost ranges between $1,800 to $2,500 USD. That's up to 60% less for the same quality treatment, often by US trained specialists using the same implant systems and materials. Add in easy border access, VIP transportation from the border, like the service offered by Pharmacia Rome, and bilingual staff, and it's no surprise why more patients from California and beyond are crossing into Tijuana for their smile makeovers. Ready to save and smile? Call us today at 619-819-9442.